Modern applications generate vast amounts of data every second. To make informed decisions, organizations need a reliable way to store, monitor, and visualize this data in real time. Managing large-scale databases while tracking performance and operational metrics can be difficult. Without centralized visibility, identifying trends, monitoring system health, and making data-driven decisions becomes challenging. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed a MongoDB Atlas data and dashboard solution that integrates cloud database management with interactive analytics and real-time monitoring. The platform connects to MongoDB Atlas, collects operational and business data, processes key metrics, and displays them through interactive dashboards, giving teams a centralized view of database performance and insights. Key features include MongoDB Atlas integration, real-time data monitoring, interactive analytics dashboards, performance and usage metrics, automated data visualization, scalable cloud architecture. The solution improves operational visibility, simplifies database monitoring, enhances reporting accuracy, and enables faster, data-driven decision-making.